AI agents are one of the hottest topics today, offering an incredible opportunity for you to step into the market and start your own AI-powered business. But here's the challenge. Many people think building AI agents is complex and requires advanced technical skills. But the reality is completely different. Right now, you can effortlessly create your own AI agent, or even use one to build websites and apps that generate $10,000 per month, no technical expertise required. That's why I'm excited to introduce Tempolabs AI, a powerful AI-driven tool that turns your ideas into fully functional apps with ease and efficiency. With Tempolabs, building powerful web applications has never been simpler. You can do it in just a few clicks. As a software engineer with years of experience, I firmly believe Tempolabs is the future of web app development. Before we unlock its full potential, let me walk you through how to use the platform effectively. Alright, now, let's head over to the Tempolabs website. I've dropped the link right below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. The first thing you'll notice, a sleek and visually refreshing interface. And right here, you can get started instantly by clicking Get Started Free. I'll let you explore that on your own because I'll be covering it in another video. Next, on this section, you can click here to watch a demo video from the team. I'll go over it quickly. Now, here's where things get really exciting. This section lets you build an app with just a single prompt. For example, let's say I want to create an app that collects and manages AI content creators' data. All I have to do is type, create an app to manage information about AI content creators on YouTube. Then simply hit generate. Here we go. You'll immediately be taken to a new screen where you can get a complete overview of your project, workflow, and user interface. But here's the best part. You can fully customize everything with just a few simple actions, all directly from the UI. We'll need to wait here for a few minutes while the system generates all the essential components for your website project. Let's see. Our creator card has been generated. Now, moving on to the header, and just like that, we have the content creator list, the detail page, and finally, your website has been successfully created. This is absolutely insane, right? Now, let's click on the card and expand it so we can see the full dashboard screen. I'll come back to this screen later, but first, let's go through the PRD. Here, you'll see the detailed product requirements that the system has automatically generated for me to review. It includes key features such as creator list with profile images, names, subscribers, and content focus, filtering by content type and AI domain, search function for quick discovery, detailed creator view with recent videos and engagement, bookmark and notifications for favorite creators. Next, you can click Generate to create the user flow for your project and enhance it further by adding new features using the Add Visual Context option right here. Until now, I've had no issues at all. It's been a truly great experience using this app. You can click on Code right up here to view the detailed code that the system has generated for you. And of course, if you prefer, you can write your own code and customize it however you like. Now, back to the design screen. Tempolabs makes it incredibly easy to customize the user interface with simple and intuitive actions. Let me demonstrate a few quick customizations. For example, if I want to change the color of a grid item, I can click right here, go to the Styles section, and adjust the color to my preference. Next, let's say I want to change the color of the website header. I simply click on the header, navigate to Styles, and adjust the color. Here, I'll set it to light blue. Lastly, to make the search text box stand out, I'll reset its color to white for better contrast. Everything is smooth, quick, and fully customizable. Let's continue exploring more features. If I want to undo the changes I just made, and just like with most software, you can easily use Ctrl+Z. You can also click on the history icon, and you'll be able to see a detailed history of all the changes I made earlier. And here, you can click Restore to jump back to any changes that you've made. Now, to review the app, I'll click right here to open the website and check how everything is working. Let's see if all the functions are running smoothly. Let's take a look at the details of a content creator. There are three main tabs: Recent Videos, About, and Analytics. What's amazing is that with just a few simple actions, the app seems to fully understand what I'm trying to do. The data displayed here is dummy data, but this can easily be connected to a real database to pull in actual live data. I'll show you how to do that step by step in another video. And honestly, I'm really excited to dive deeper into it. Next, let's test the search function. I'll type deep learning into the search bar. Pretty cool, right? With AI, I feel like these features are working flawlessly without any issues. Finally, let's check the subscriber count feature. And as expected, it's working just as it should. Everything is smooth and accurate. Now, let's return to the Tempolabs homepage and explore more of its features. If you're a React developer with your own code, Tempolabs fully supports it, allowing you to upload your codebase directly into the system. You can also edit your code locally using your favorite editor and extensions. And of course, for any coding project, you can easily connect to GitHub to maintain control of your code, choose your hosting infrastructure, and deploy it anywhere. Additionally, Tempolabs provides an extensive library filled with hundreds of components and templates, all available completely free of charge. With just a simple drag and drop, you can seamlessly integrate these into your UI design and fully customize them to suit your unique needs and style. Next up, let's talk about something pretty important: pricing. With the free plan, you get 50 prompts to try out. For me, that's more than enough to experience the app, and you can always add bonus prompts for an additional cost. If you're serious about developing apps on Tempolabs, the $30 Pro plan is a very reasonable choice. You also have the option to hire an agent, with quality guaranteed by human engineers and designers if you need extra help. Of course, this won't be cheap, but it's entirely understandable considering the quality and support you're getting. So I think that's enough for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.